Hello everyone, it's Nathan from AllBrand Caravan Services again. Today I'm just up on the roof of this Bushmaster caravan. The customer's come in for a lot of different items to be repaired, although we did notice that there's a little bit of damage to his hatches on the roof, specifically the bathroom hatches. Now, if you guys have got any damage up here on the roof, or if you inspect your silicone and it's not looking very great and it's lifting on the edges, it's a sign that there could be water leaks incoming. You're best to get on top of that straight away. You can come on down, we can have a look at the roof for you, assess the situation, and then go from there, quote you up on some repairs or some reseals, and it'll keep you guys nice and dry out there over summer. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below or come down and see us down here on Connaught Street. See ya.